chick said she wouldn't date me till I got a cool car.
She's an idiot.
That's what I said. You want to see something cool?
What's that?
Hold on.
I'm starting to get tired of the Jennifer stuff.
What's wrong with the Jennifer stuff?
You know, maybe it's time to move on.
What am I supposed to say?
I don't know, dude. You just keep going on about this one girl. Is there any of your other girl?
Okay, you know what? I miss Elizabeth.
We'll have to start.
Still miss Jennifer, though.